You had it? Oh, he's smelling.
He's been dead, right?
Yeah.
Oh, Agapimo, I'm so sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Popo agistri. Yeah. Okay, I call the corporal.
Have you called them?
They work for the mayor. They have a place where they bury the animals, all the turtles and dogs, you know, the stray dogs. They take them there and have a place which is far out. That's why they're running. It smells.
Yeah.
Really bad.
Yeah.
So I can't imagine. Let me go finish my work.
After a rather somber morning, we headed to the catamaran Aitiki to say farewell. Smile, Linda.
Hi, Linda. This is the hard part of sailing. You make really good friends, and they leave, going off on their adventures. But we'll be doing ours. We'll be heading off for ours. Hopefully tomorrow, the next day. Haerera, Aitiki. Safe travels.
Like a lot of places, Preveza is so nice in the early morning. At my favourite morning stop, Spiros, or one of his girls, would make my cappuccino served with delicious honey donuts.
This is the next video.
Yeah, I think we should. Yeah, shouldn't we?
Yeah, is it easy? Easy job? No? Yes? Okay.
Before you are back.
Yeah,
Yes.
we will.
But I stay.
No.
Okay, thank
Are you
you.
gonna bill us or
Right.
you send us a bill?
Bill?
Bill, money.
Next time.
Okay.
Oh, I got that on video.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey? No, not quite.
Not
He's
quite.
taken the fridge with him.
Okay.
So we'll be coming back later in the month and you'll have it done by then.
Do you want me to come on that side?
No, I think I've got it. Just.
I'm sewing the locking mechanism onto the strap. Well, it just tightens, holds the battery down.
Hold the battery down onto the platform that you've made.
Yeah.
Doing? The waves for the mermaid.
Now look at this.
Look at that.
Look at these meatballs, guys.
They look perfect.
I see that you're...
Looks pretty good to me. What do you think, Captain Gav?
Really nice.
Yeah.
There have been a few battles fought around Preveza throughout the centuries. The most recent was in 1911, where the Italians were victorious over the Ottomans. Then there was the Battle of Preveza in 1538, where the Ottomans defeated the Venetians. And the most famous one of all, the Battle of Actium in 31 BC, where Antony and Cleopatra were defeated by Octavian. This trip took us to the inland waterway from Preveza, where we tried to visit the amphitheatre and some of the ruins that Octavian had erected after his victory. But unfortunately, they were fenced off for repairs. We did enjoy the walk nonetheless.
Yesterday we needed to empty our holding tank and we needed to make the water, some water of it, get the water maker going. So here we are near Vinica. This is the inland waterway from Preveza, so we head west from Preveza. Over there is Vinica. But we're in this little bay. You can hear in the background the sheep that had been taken over to the piggery that's up on the hill. Sometimes you can hear the pigs at night time squealing.